What does humanity discover when a spacecraft departs from Earth and heads into the unknown? In the mid-1970s, scientists decided to design two spacecraft that would venture beyond the solar system and into deep space. These spacecraft would not only discover new planets, but also take a giant leap for humanity in solving the mysteries of the universe. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were the two massive missions launched with this purpose, but each had a very different journey ahead. When NASA launched the Voyager program in 1977, they defined the missions for the two spacecraft. Voyager 1 would study Jupiter and Saturn and take the fastest route out of the solar system. Voyager 2, however, had a more comprehensive mission. After passing Jupiter and Saturn, it would travel to Uranus and Neptune. These planets had never been explored before, and Voyager 2 would be the first spacecraft to conduct detailed observations of them. The discoveries Voyager 2 made about these planets were crucial to understanding the solar system, because very little was known about the atmospheres, structures, and movements of Uranus and Neptune. Voyager 2's mission to these planets marked the beginning of a new era in scientific discovery. Both spacecraft had another significant role: to send time capsules into the depths of the universe. The golden records they carried contained messages from Earth, so if extraterrestrial intelligent beings ever found them, they would know who we were. Voyager 1, after being launched, sped ahead, passing Saturn and heading toward the outer reaches of the solar system. Voyager 1 became the first human-made object to leave the solar system and took the famous pale blue dot photograph, showing Earth as a tiny speck. This image reminded humanity of its place in the vastness of the universe. A tiny blue dot in the vastness of space. This photograph was not just a visual, but a profound statement. Humanity had begun to discover life on a planet, but we must never forget how small we are in the grand scale of the cosmos. Voyager 2, though trailing behind Voyager 1, remains the farthest spacecraft still within the solar system. Its mission was not limited to taking photographs of the planets. It also sent invaluable data. It observed Uranus's tilted orbit and Neptune's giant dark storms, providing crucial information about these planets. The extreme tilt of Uranus's orbit and the unique atmospheric conditions of Neptune surprised scientists and led to the development of new theories. By studying these planets, Voyager 2 made an immensely valuable discovery for humanity. Uranus' tilted orbit and Neptune's dynamic atmosphere reshaped the understanding of planetary science. These discoveries also helped us understand the evolutionary processes of these planets and revealed that each had a unique atmospheric composition, with Neptunian storms and Uranus's extreme axial tilt standing out. Voyager 1 in the early 1990s, after taking the famous pale blue dot photograph, reached the farthest point in human history, becoming the first spacecraft to leave the solar system. This photograph, showing Earth as a tiny pixel, once again reminded us of our place in the universe. All of humanity, just a tiny blue dot, is a small part of the vastness of space. This photograph was not just a visual, but a profound message. Humanity had begun to discover life on a planet, but we must always remember how small we are in the grand scheme of things. As Voyager 1 travels further into space, it continues to send valuable data in its solitude, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. Voyager 2, while lagging behind Voyager 1, remains the farthest spacecraft still within the solar system. Its mission didn't stop at taking photographs of the planets. Both spacecraft continued to send data to deep space. In 2018, Voyager 2 also passed the heliopause, the boundary where solar wind ceases, officially leaving the solar system. This was a major milestone for Voyager 2, as Voyager 1 had left the solar system approximately 16 years earlier. Voyager 2's journey, too, was marked as another great step in humanity's exploration of the unknown. Although both Voyager spacecraft followed different routes, they had different goals. Voyager 1 is heading toward the outer edges of our galaxy, while Voyager 2 is still on a closer path to the solar system. And in the future, each Voyager will make separate new discoveries. During their long journeys, both spacecraft have provided valuable data, uncovering new stars, planets, and galaxies. As both spacecraft travel through interstellar space, they continue to send data about new planets and unknown cosmic structures. Every new discovery they make sheds light on areas humanity has never known, accelerating our understanding of the universe. Today, both Voyagers, traveling farther into deep space as the first human-made spacecraft, continue their solitary journey. Their missions are far from over. Both spacecraft still send radio signals back to Earth. Voyager 1, which has traveled approximately 25 billion kilometers, continues its journey, pushing the boundaries of science, while Voyager 2 also heads further into space, making new discoveries. One day, as both spacecraft travel even farther, they will harbor new surprises and discoveries for humanity. The Voyagers symbolize humanity's curiosity about space, our scientific drive, and our desire to explore the unknown corners of the universe. They are not just scientific missions. They are also time capsules, marking a significant step for future generations. The Voyager spacecraft are symbols of humanity's endless quest and the desire to uncover the secrets of the universe. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.